And that should make us uncomfortable. Because we live in the age of supercomputers, satellites, and artificial intelligence, yet there are ancient inventions that still defy explanation. Thousands of years ago, civilizations without electricity, engines, or digital tools created technology so advanced that modern engineers quietly admit something doesn't add up. This is not fantasy, this is documented history. Take Roman concrete. Modern concrete cracks, weakens, and collapses within decades. But Roman harbors, built over 2,000 years ago, are stronger today than when they were first poured. Scientists studied it for years before discovering that seawater actually made it stronger over time. Even now, we still can't reproduce it perfectly at scale. Then there is Damascus steel. Medieval swords forged with this material could slice through armor, bend without breaking, and hold an edge sharper than modern blades. The exact method used to create it was lost centuries ago. Modern metallurgy has theories, but no confirmed recipe. And what about the Antikythera Mechanism, a hand-built machine from ancient Greece that tracked planets, eclipses, and celestial cycles with shocking accuracy? It was essentially an analog computer built more than 2,000 years ago. Nothing like it appeared again for over 1,000 years. Now consider ancient stone cutting. At sites like Machu Picchu, Baalbek, and the Giza Plateau, massive stones were cut and fitted together so precisely that even a razor blade cannot fit between them. Modern tools struggle to replicate that level of precision on that scale. No cement, no mortar, just perfect stonework. Engineers ask the same question again and again. How? In Egypt, granite blocks weighing hundreds of tons were quarried, transported, and placed with near-perfect alignment. Granite is harder than steel. Even today, cutting it precisely requires advanced machinery. Yet ancient builders did it with tools we're told were primitive. Some ancient technologies weren't just advanced, they were dangerous. Greek fire burned on water. It could not be extinguished. It terrorized entire navies, and the formula was so closely guarded that it vanished from history entirely. Modern chemistry still can't recreate it with certainty. Ancient batteries existed too. The Baghdad battery suggests electricity may have been known thousands of years before we officially discovered it. What was it used for? Electroplating? Medical treatment? We don't know. And then there are ancient medical techniques, surgeries performed with shocking precision, skulls showing evidence of brain operations where patients survived, herbal formulas that modern pharmaceuticals still study for clues. The disturbing part is not that ancient people were smart. The disturbing part is that this knowledge disappeared. Civilizations rose and then collapsed. Libraries burned. Experts were killed. Secrets were lost. The Library of Alexandria alone may have contained centuries of scientific knowledge that humanity never recovered. Imagine what was written there. Imagine what we forgot. Some historians believe this knowledge was lost by accident. Others believe it was lost through conquest, fear, or deliberate suppression, because advanced knowledge shifts power, and power has always been dangerous. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Human history is not a straight line of progress, it's a cycle. Knowledge is gained, knowledge is lost, and sometimes what we call modern is just rediscovered ancient wisdom. Today, engineers are still studying these ancient technologies, not to romanticize the past, but to learn from it. Because the ancients may not have had computers, but they understood materials, physics, and nature in ways we're only beginning to rediscover. And the biggest mystery isn't how advanced they were, it's why we ever forgot.